Imagine stepping into the future of food, right in the heart of a city, from Brooklyn to South Central LA to the lush hills of Maui. These urban farming projects are rewriting what's possible for our plates and our planet. Welcome to the Green Blueprint. I am your host, and today we are going to explore 3 revolutionary urban farming movements, all rooted in hope, technology, and fierce community action. See how a tech accelerator trains city farmers inside shipping containers. Witness how a gangster gardener transforms food deserts into community havens. And marvel at how the queen of all media, Oprah Winfrey, grows food security on Hawaiian soil. Every story is a blueprint for how we, yes, you, can harvest change anywhere. First stop, Brooklyn. Picture a row of sleek shipping containers humming with green life. This is Square Roots, co-founded by Kimbal Musk and Tobias Peggs. Kimbal Musk, brother of Elon Musk, is the executive chairman of Square Roots, while Tobias Peggs serves as the CEO. They started the company to address issues of food waste and poor nutrition from long-distance food transport. Square Roots is an urban farming company that uses hydroponic shipping container farms to grow fresh produce locally. Here, next-generation urban farmers grow 50 pounds of leafy greens every week per container. And get this, all of it uses 95% less water than traditional farms. Let's break that down. Modular containers stacked in city lots. High-efficiency hydroponics. No soil required. Precise digital monitoring. Zero pesticides. Near zero food miles. The impact? Local food for city markets and restaurants all year. Empowered diverse future farmers from Brooklyn to Michigan, expanding across 4+ states. A model now replicating nationally. According to food tank and freight farms, each container uses only 8 gallons of water daily. That's the power of precision agriculture. Kimbal Musk shares this vision. COVID-19 exposed weaknesses in the global food chain. Square Roots helps communities take control, sustainably. But what makes Square Roots truly special isn't just the technology, it's the people. Young entrepreneurs from Brooklyn to Grand Rapids, Kenosha, Springfield are building food futures. They're not waiting for permission, they're growing it themselves, bringing back food and communities together. It's time for some attitude. Meet Ron Finley, the gangster gardener of South Central LA. Picture a neighborhood with more liquor stores and drive-thrus than grocery aisles. Ron asked, "Why can't healthy food grow here?" He didn't wait for permission. Instead, he planted veggies in the neglected median in front of his house. The city threatened him with fines. So he rallied neighbors and made international headlines when he changed LA's laws to allow parkway gardens. His 2013 TED Talk, A Guerrilla Gardener in South Central LA, reached over 1.5 million views. His message: food is the problem and the solution. Growing your own food is like printing your own money. Ron also co-curated the 2024 art show, Breathe, toward climate and social justice at the Hammer Museum in Los Angeles. Think about that for a second. In a food system where fresh produce costs $5 a head of lettuce in certain neighborhoods, Ron showed people how to break free, how to reclaim dignity through growing. The results speak for themselves. City soils, reborn as food forests. Parkway gardens, once illegal, now encouraged by the city. Finally, paradise with a purpose. Oprah Winfrey, the queen of all media, famous for her career as a television host, media mogul, and philanthropist. Beginning with The Oprah Winfrey Show, which revolutionized the talk show format, owns a thriving organic farm on Maui, Hawaii, spanning nearly 1,000 acres. What grows here? 100+ varieties of crops, root vegetables, tropical fruit, leafy greens, 145 pounds of organic produce harvested weekly, all grown to directly address Hawaii's food dependency. 90% of the island's food is imported. According to Hawaii Magazine and NPR, Oprah explains, "We realized if we could grow delicious food ourselves, we could share it. It's a full circle moment. But here's what's remarkable. It's not just about Oprah's farm, it's about what she does with it." Her team partners with local organizations to distribute fresh harvests to families in need, teach children how to grow, cook, and value healthy food, build food sovereignty for Hawaiian communities. It's sustainability rooted in aloha, love, care, and connection to the land. So you have three different approaches to one problem. Food insecurity in cities, food deserts everywhere, a broken system. Square roots, technology plus youth plus training, Ron Finley. Community plus defiance plus transformation, Oprah's farm. Scale plus sharing plus sustainability. Three visionaries, three models, one mission, bringing fresh food home. Now here's the question. Do you want to try growing vegetables yourself in your city apartment? Meet iDOO, your personal farming partner. iDOO, hydroponic growing system. 22-watt LED light automatically simulates the sun's full spectrum. Vegetables, mode, blue, red, far red, and white light for leafy greens. Flower/fruit mode, red, far red, white light for flowering plants. The system grows plants 20% faster than traditional soil with an integrated pump that aerates water. A built-in fan simulates outdoor breeze. Here's why this changes everything. 4.5-liter water tank equals 1 to 2 weeks between refills. Visual water window so you always know what you need. Grow 12 plants at once up to 11 inches tall. 3-step setup. Literally plug in, plant, and grow. All the essentials included. Light, seeds, growing kit. No soil mess in your apartment. Zero outdoor space needed. Perfect for apartments, balconies, dorms, anywhere you want to start. Now it's your turn. What would you grow if nothing held you back? Drop your dream garden in the comments below. Tell us, will you start with greens, herbs, or flowers? And if these stories inspired you, subscribe, tap that bell for new urban farming solutions each week. Join our community on Instagram at @thegreenblueprint_TGB.